the courts deal with these matters as they come. The evidence that is presented before them, they deal with those matters as they come. And what we are telling parties is that if you are not happy with an order that has been given by the court, the channel is there, you appeal. And we have had quite a number of instances where a court has issued an order. The parties, not necessarily even the government, individual parties are unhappy with that, and they have appealed, and the Court of Appeal has set aside those judgments. Some they have upheld. I am not aware of any part of the judiciary that has been captured by what? By opposition or what? Or the media. If you go back to before we had elections, we had quite a number of cases that came to court. We ruled in favor of the government, we ruled in favor of, against the government, we ruled in favor of the position, we ruled against the opposition. Quite a number of those matters came and we dealt with them on the basis of the evidence that was there. It is not true that any judges have been captured by the opposition, as it is being said. It is the orders they are issuing in the normal course of business, and they could make mistakes in those orders.